Hello, crypto nerds. Welcome back to the Crypto Moses channel. I'm a crypto nerd. I don't know if you are. But today we're going to have some explosive news in the crypto world. And of course, we're going to do some Bitcoin TA with a little bit of a twist. So make sure you stick around for that. And if you want to always be up to date with this information, click that young subscribe button, please, for your boy and for your future. All right, so my favorite part of the news. Donald freaking Trump is set to speak at the Bitcoin 2024 conference in Nashville. I will be there. I hope you are there. It's going to cause a giant stir. So let's dive into some of these details. So the Bitcoin 2024 conference, which is taking place from July 25th to 27th in Nashville, Tennessee, is going to feature former US President Donald freaking Trump as one of the keynote speakers. Now, this announcement has not only generated remarkable enthusiasm within the crypto community, it's showing that the political sphere is entering into crypto, and it's doing it earlier than we had assumed, right? Trump's involvement in the crypto space is recently growing, and I think he's doing it for votes, but at the same time, he's still doing it. Last month, he had met with the prominent Bitcoin miners and emphasized the importance of Bitcoin mining in the US. His pro-crypto stance has been literally extremely well received, boosting his popularity among us crypto enthusiasts. I was not a huge fan, but I just love the opportunity that he is connecting with crypto and giving it the capability to be regulated the way that all of us can use it generally. I would love that. Now, following this announcement, Trump-related meme coins have freaking skyrocketed. There was one called Trump Coin Djt, and that bad boy surged literally 50 million% in less than 3 freaking hours. It had literally reached a market cap of 143 million. So sad I missed that. Similarly, Satoshi Trump Mbga saw an increase of 100%, and is now at a market cap of roughly 2.8 million. The former president's increasing involvement in the crypto space is beyond significant. Now, there is a debate within the industry about the implications of concentrating Bitcoin mining within the US, as it may undermine Bitcoin's decentralized nature, which is true, but they're going to need a lot of equipment to be able to do that. This is just exciting news because it's showing that the political sphere is starting to connect with the crypto sphere. And it also shows, like, if he wins because the crypto enthusiasm has moved him, that would also show other politicians the value of being pro-crypto, which entail pumps everyone's backs, right? Let's just be realistic. So I'm really excited about this. I hope to see you guys in Nashville, right? I'm hoping you bought a ticket to go see it. Check out channels like Connor Kenny. He's got a link for discount on there, I believe. Even if not, use that link, get people involved. The more of us that are in crypto, the better the capability to keep moving Bitcoin up and also move money into this asset class over the old stale stock market class. All right, let's dive into some Bitcoin TA. Let's see what the market looks like. And what I am trying to do now is give you guys more zones for my entry and exit. I do use lines, but I am going to try my best to draw out more zones. And I'm also going to try to make the chart less busy. I'll have some images of just the empty charts because I've gotten some message of people confused on everything on there, and I'll do a full video. I do like the extra information, but I don't necessarily always use the extra information to trade. I use it to kind of just give me an understanding of the current sentiment. What I do recommend is you're always focused on supply and demand zones. These white lines, these areas you're going to see on my chart, my sell zones, those are supply and demand zones. And that's really where the money starts moving, or that's where you're going to see a flip in the current trajectory of what it's doing. So if it enters a supply sell zone I have listed, it usually means that in that zone, we've had a lot of downtrends, and it would be a higher probability for another downtrend. I hope that makes sense, right? I'm trying to make it as easy as possible for all of us to make more money within trading. I know trading isn't the easiest thing. It took me literally 3 years before I made my first damn dime trading. So I know it's hard. Don't hate on yourself. If you're struggling, just keep practicing and do not over leverage yourself, right? But looking at this chart, there was not much movement yesterday. It was just basically positive movement. So when we look at it here, we just see from yesterday nighttime, US time, It's had about an increase of about 1.4%. If you're leveraged and had seen this play, you would have made about 100% on whatever your leverage amount is. Now we are not in another supply, demand, or buy zone, but I am waiting to see if it passes this area. If we can surpass this little area here, let's actually draw it as a box for everybody. The goal here is if it passes this, we have the capability to maybe just stop up there, but at the same time, we could make it all the way up another 2 to 3%. And it's nice seeing Bitcoin move this slow. It's not great for small trades like I used to in the back of the day, but it is good for leveraged small trades. So something to think about as you're trading the market. So today we're just kind of waiting to see, is it going to break out of here? Is it going to start giving us a downtrend? Are the bears going to overtake the bulls? We just got to wait and find out. And we'll see here in the next couple of hours. Just keep the chart live and keep watching. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. We'll get more crypto news as we this Donald Trump stuff unpacked, and we'll see what happens next. I'll see you guys in the next video.